Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to send a calendar invite on your iPhone, a quick and easy way to stay organized and keep everyone on the same page for your events. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and open the Calendar app. This is where you'll manage all your events and invites. Step 2. Make sure you're signed in to your iCloud account or the calendar account you plan to use. This ensures your invites will be properly sent. Step 3. Tap the plus button in the top right corner of the screen to create a new event. This opens up the event creation window where you'll add all your details. Step 4. Enter the event title, then select the date and time. You can also choose all-day event if that fits your schedule. Step 5. If your event has a physical location, enter the address or venue name so your invitees know where to go. Step 6. Tap on the Invitees field and start adding names or email addresses. You can invite anyone by typing their information in this field. Step 7. Select Contacts from Suggestions, or tap the plus icon to add people directly from your contacts list. This is the easiest way to ensure you're adding the right people. Step 8. Once you've added all your invitees, tap Done to confirm your selections. Step 9. Review all the event details one last time and then tap the Add button in the top right corner to send the invite to everyone. Step 10. Your calendar invite will now be sent to your invitees via email or through the Calendar app if they're using an Apple device. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tips.